Subscribe to our YouTube channel and share this video with your friends. And now let us take you to a true slice of paradise. The 5-star Sun Siyam Iru Fushi Resort in the Maldives, located in the Noonu Atoll. Just about an hour on a seaplane and you're already on the island. From the moment you arrive at the pier, you're greeted with a refreshing welcome drink and escorted to a stylish lounge area. The resort has won gold at the 2023 South Asian Travel Awards as the best all-inclusive resort, and TripAdvisor boasts over 7,000 recent reviews with a near-perfect rating. Surrounded by crystal-clear waters and a coral garden, the island features soft, groomed sand supported by breakwaters, but the sea remains calm and picturesque. Signposts guide you across sandy paths that run around the island's perimeter. Should you need a break, you'll find cozy waiting areas equipped with a phone to summon a buggy driver who'll whisk you anywhere you need to go. You can stroll the beach barefoot and reach your villa nestled in lush greenery, a setting that offers complete privacy and tranquility. There are two types of villas to choose from. The deluxe beach villa with pool, which features a king-size bed, a jacuzzi bathtub, an outdoor shower, a terrace, and a private pool, and the water villa, perched over the lagoon with a glass floor panel offering a glimpse of the ocean below, a cozy lounge area, a bathroom with a bathtub and shower, and direct access to the sea from your private deck. Each villa includes plush robes and slippers, a safe, a minibar, an espresso machine, a tea set, and an iron, everything you'd expect from a top-tier retreat. Still, some minor drawbacks exist. Mattresses lack individual springs, air conditioners can be noisy, and there's no shower on the water villa decks to rinse off after a swim in the sea. On the upside, every guest is assigned a personal butler, and everything from booking restaurants and spa treatments to requesting a buggy can be handled through WhatsApp. The island has fewer insects and noticeably lower humidity compared to many other Maldivian resorts, and the internet connection is faster and more reliable. Dining options range from breakfast only to full all-inclusive packages. Breakfast and lunch are served buffet-style at the main restaurant, where the sand-covered floor invites you to dine barefoot. Occasionally, you'll find cold smoked salmon, pastries, and even handcrafted Instagram-worthy donuts on the breakfast spread. In the evenings, enjoy dinner at various a la carte restaurants. Trio, an Italian venue located over the water. Taste of India for rich Indian cuisine. Bamboo offering Thai flavors, and more. Chefs regularly chat with guests to gather feedback and improve the experience. Sweet treats await at La Cremeria Ice Cream Cafe, while the fluid bar near the family pool serves light bites and drinks during the day. The Reflections Bar caters exclusively to adults by the infinity pool, and the Water's Edge Bar offers cocktails by the sea. Sunset cocktail parties on the beach, open to all resort guests, give the evenings a festive and relaxed vibe. Adventure lovers will appreciate the dive center on one of the pier extensions, from which it's easy to access the house reef and coral garden. Certified instructors offer diving courses and snorkeling experiences with sea scooters. Occasionally, divers visit the family pool to invite guests to try scuba diving on the spot. For adults seeking peace, the second pool, a sleek black infinity pool with wooden swings, lounge chairs, and a jacuzzi, offers a scenic and serene retreat. Families will especially love the Sun Siyam Iru Fushi Kids Club. Open daily from 8 a.m. to 9 p.m. It's located in a secured area featuring a sandy playground, a slide, mini soccer goals, creative activity spaces, a playroom, and a small air-conditioned movie theater. A separate kids' pool with tiny sun loungers adds to the charm. Parents can relax knowing their children are entertained and well-supervised. However, some guests noted that the outdoor area felt hot during midday hours, as not all parts are air-conditioned. For those who like to stay active, the resort offers tennis courts, an activity zone, and a compact gym with garden views, cardio machines, strength equipment, chilled towels, apples, and bottled water. Gym access is via your room key. And then there's the spa, one of the largest in the Maldives, tucked deep within the island's lush greenery. It features beautifully designed treatment rooms, a sauna, a relaxation pool, and a tranquil garden. Guests can book services directly through their butler, making it easy to unwind at one of the most serene spots on the island. The resort earns praise for its welcoming staff, enchanting atmosphere, and the sense that you'll want to return. Food lovers will appreciate the variety of cuisine, while aesthetes will adore the stunning beaches. Still, a few downsides are worth mentioning. After rain, the sandy paths used by buggies can become uneven and bumpy. Restaurant service can occasionally be slow. And coffee at the bars and main restaurant isn't top-notch. Many guests prefer the in-room Nespresso machines. Teens and young adults seeking high-energy entertainment may find the options here limited to live music, karaoke, and the occasional themed evening, with no full-scale DJ clubs or fitness competitions as seen on some other island. But for those craving solitude, nature, excellent service, and a beautiful beach with a private ambiance, this resort is nearly perfect. Families with kids will also find their ideal escape, thanks to the kids' club, friendly staff, a wide array of activities, and personalized service. If, however, you're chasing nightly parties and bustling entertainment, this may not be your scene. In short, Sun Siyam Iru Fushi is a place where you genuinely feel like you're in paradise and enjoy 5-star quality at a fair price, especially considering the included transfers, meals, and drinks. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and share this video with friends. There's truly a story worth telling here.